In this video, we are going to learn how to simplify this given expression right here. Now, so what you need to understand is the order of each operation. Now, we are going to follow this order of operation called PEMDAS. Now, right here, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, we have multiplication, we have division, we don't have addition and subtraction. Right here, we are going to solve this separately, the numerator and the denominator. First, we are going to consider the numerator, and we bring it out here. We have 4 divided by 8. Now, this is also equals 4 all over 8. Now, if you simplify this to its lowest term, here 4 divided by 1 and 4 into 8, that gives 2, and this equals 1 over 2. And right here in the denominator, we have 2 times 4, and this will give us 8. Now, combining the two, the whole expression becomes, here we have 1 over 2 divided by 8. Now, this is the same thing as we have 1 over 2 divided by 8. Right here, we are going to apply KCF. K mean keep, C mean change, F mean flip. Therefore, applying this to this, we are going to have here, we keep 1 over 2, change the sign to multiplication, and we flip 8, and that gives us 1 over 8. Then if we multiply this out, we are going to have here 1 times 1, that gives us 1. Then 2 times 8, that gives us 16. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.